Imagine waking up in 2026 knowing your content is working for you 24/7, bringing in views, building trust, and generating income even while you sleep. That's not luck. That's a system. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to build it. The biggest shift in content creation right now isn't just about posting more. It's about creating with intention. In 2026, successful content creators aren't just entertainers, they're strategic digital brand builders. Every piece of content serves a purpose to attract, educate, engage, or convert. Let's start with the foundation, your niche. If you try to speak to everyone, you'll reach no one. The most profitable creators are hyper-focused. They understand a specific audience and solve a specific problem. Whether it's fitness for busy professionals, beginner investing, or kids learning content, clarity wins. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving and who am I solving it for? Once your niche is clear, the next step is positioning. People don't follow content, they follow perspective. Your voice, your story, and your way of explaining things is your unfair advantage. Two creators can talk about the same topic, but the one who connects emotionally and delivers clarity will win every time. Now let's talk about platforms. In 2026, you don't need to be everywhere, you need to be strategic. Pick one primary platform where your audience already spends time. That might be YouTube for long-form education, TikTok or Instagram for short-form discovery, or a blog for search-driven traffic. Then repurpose your content across other platforms to maximize reach without burning out. This brings us to one of the most powerful concepts, content ecosystems. Instead of creating random posts, build a system where your content works together. For example, one long video can become multiple short clips, social posts, and even an email newsletter. This multiplies your output without multiplying your effort. But content alone isn't enough. You need discoverability. That's where SEO comes in. In simple terms, SEO is about creating content that people are already searching for. Think about the questions your audience is typing into Google or YouTube. If your content answers those questions clearly and effectively, you position yourself as the solution. Now let's talk about consistency. Not just posting daily, but showing up with a clear message. Consistency builds trust, and trust is what turns viewers into followers, and followers into customers. It's better to post 2 high-quality pieces a week for a year than to burn out posting daily for a month. Next is monetization. This is where many creators get stuck because they think they need millions of followers. That's outdated thinking. In 2026, even small creators can build profitable brands if they focus on value. There are multiple income streams you can build: digital products, affiliate marketing, brand partnerships, memberships, and services. The key is alignment. Your monetization should feel like a natural extension of your content. For example, if you teach productivity, you could sell a digital planner. If you review tools, you can earn through affiliate links. If you educate, you can create courses or guides. Your audience is already telling you what they need. You just have to listen. And another major advantage today is AI and automation. Smart creators are using AI tools to research topics, generate ideas, edit videos, and optimize content. This doesn't replace creativity, it enhances it. It allows you to move faster and focus on what really matters, delivering value and building connection. Let's not ignore analytics. Data is your feedback loop. Pay attention to what content performs well, what gets clicks, watch time, and engagement, then double down on it. Your audience is constantly showing you what they want. Your job is to listen and adapt. Finally, understand this. Building a profitable digital brand is not a viral moment, it's a compounding process. Each piece of content is an asset. Over time, these assets stack, creating visibility, authority, and income. So if you're starting or trying to grow, focus on this simple formula: clarity in your niche, consistency in your message, value in your content, and strategy in your growth. Because in 2026, the creators who win aren't the loudest, they're the most intentional. And if you start building that system today, you won't just be creating content, you'll be building a business.